Let me submit
If you
first.
say something against my son,
Don't try to. Don't.
I'm not doing anything. You can.
This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
57, my lord. May kindly keep it on Monday, my lord. I've just received the petition.
Hearing urgency, my lord.
No urgency, my lord. He is a.
I am the petitioner, my lord.
But
My lord, present act of lawlessness, my lord.
Lawless.
The husband of the petitioner, my lord, it was shown, my lord. My lord, the photos emerged that the police was parading him, my lord, dressed up in shorts and seeking public apology. My lord, he was arrested in one case, my lord. There are other multiple cases.
But this issue, I understand.
Sir, please, sir.
This issue
This
is pending for the public interest litigation bench, my lord.
There is no question. So far, I am concerned. It has happened. So far, my husband is concerned. Number two, my lord, there is a disclosure I have sought for. My husband was arrested in one case. Thereafter, there was no legal representation, my lord. We are not allowed to, my lord, execute vokalatnama. But I don't know what are the cases where he was arrested. So he is taken into custody in connection with one after the husband of the petitioner.
May I say one thing? Just this matter, your lordship, the husband of the present petitioner, your lordship already dealt with. Your lordship can remember he was a candidate in Diamond Harbour constituency where the repoll has happened. But they took the no, not to take any coercive action, saying that he is a candidate. After getting that, on the next day, he withdrew his candidatureship.
Well, let him show the withdrawal, my lord.
Yes, we have. My lord, we have shown it to the other bench. Now, this
bench, sir.
Lord, your lordship has referred the matter to the vacation bench. Your lordship knows on the vacation bench, my lord vacated the interim order, and that is the reason he has been arrested.
Show me that vacation.
Yes.
I just tell it.
Try to
We'll do this matter jointly. We'll come back on Monday, my lord.
No. Second sitting of the vacation.
Why?
The matter notified, but was not extended. The petitioner was arrested, my lord, in connection with the 2021 matter, my lord.
Your lordships were dealing, my lord.
The husband of the petitioner, I'm sorry.
That matter, my lord, the writ matter. The interim
and the public parade, my lord, this is absolutely egregious, my lord.
Was, my lord, appearing, and my lord, after hearing, after a length of 2 hours, the interim order was vacated.
But the husband,
we shall produce it.
But I'm taking a technical point now, since my learned friend is so vociferous. But I understand, my lord, the petitioner is espousing the cause of a person who is presently in custody. My lord, but kindly, my lord, see, my lord, I do not have access to the file of your lordship, my lord, whether there is a wakalatnama executed by the husband or
supply.
Well, I just tell you, page 41 will be
what you are praying for.
My lord, A is disclosure in connection with which cases, my lord, my husband is in custody.
I'll do that on Monday. I'll come up with the report.
Right, number two, which can definitely
whether it is maintainable or not.
Yes. Quashment of
the subsequent FIRs, my lord, which may wait, my lord. This prayer may wait. The number three,
subsequent FIR against the husband of the
petitioner and my lord, the petitioner also. Number
I have already protected the petitioner for a limited period.
Yes.
Now that
order
was vacated.
In connection with the proceedings.
Everybody knows what happened.
Right, my lord.
So therefore, today again another petition for
not in connection with those proceedings. My lord, in that matter, my lord, we have never prayed for quashment because we did not have the disclosure. Now, after disclosure, my lord, we have the photocopies. I mean, we have the FIRs, my lord. So we sought for quashment. Number three, my lord, which is egregious, my lord, which will shock the conscience, the public parade, my lord, by the police.
This issue.
No, my lord, even I am in custody, my lord. I deserve dignity, my lord.
Indicate
there is a Supreme Court judgment directly on this, my lord.
Pending consideration, possibly Mr. Mohinder appeared.
Just please, my lord, see.
Yes, it is pending. The same issue. The same issue.
Which provision they can do that, my lord? That I am seeking public apology, my lord. And number four, my lord, the prayer I have.
No, my lord. I am not offering any parade. No, my lord. Whether at all not.
That is
whether at all
permissible, Mr. Bhattacharya.
No, that is not permissible. No one is disputing that, my lord. But whether, my lord,
by tying rope around his waist,
what the allegation is, my lord, I will produce my report, my lord. Everything will be narrated therein, my lord.
Now, why, if he is praying for time up to Monday,
let him
to Monday, what you are how you are apprehending? Already, husband of the petitioner is
petitioner also was arrested after filing of the
petitioner led a mob
and vandalized the police station.
He tried to snatch away.
Section, my lord.
No. Don't lay your ears to the submissions made by the respondents.
if this matter is taken up on Monday, how you are prejudiced? Tell me.
Malad, let them ask them to file a report, Malad, so that I can make proper
I said
representation
that I'll come back with
before the trial
instructions.
court, Malad.
Why are you
That's
shouting?
what I said.
Everybody, they are so.
I'm not shouting, but I'm just trying to match up with him.
Malad,
I'm just trying to match up with him.
Look, which
I'm just
is
trying to match up.
apologies, Malad.
No, that one prayer is innocuous, Mr. Bhattacharjee.
My lord.
That if any subsequent FIR is registered, then let it be supplied to the petitioner.
Your
Right.
lordship is already aware of the FIR where, my lord, the petitioner is involved. We have disclosed that in the writ petition where your lordship has already passed the interim order. We
Yes.
shall place it, my lord, before your lordship.
Malad, we have annexed your lordship's orders as well, Malad. Page, Malad, 5965.
That application, all the FIRs were disclosed. And we also mentioned before your
So
lordship.
in addition thereto, there is no other FIR.
That we need
I tell your lordship, my lord,
take instructions.
that day they are filing a report, Malad. On that day they are lodging, Malad, other additional FIRs, Malad.
Not we are logical. What is
Most
the
of them, Malad,
scheme?
pertain to 2021,
What is the-
Malad, as if the court was not functional.
My lord, what is the scheme of my lord the CRPC or my lord the BNSS, my lord? It
But
speaks
don't
clearly.
parrot the.
No, my lord. If at all, my lord, that is done, that
But
is not.
that-
I don't think, my lord, that has been done. I need to take instructions for that.
I may have seen it.
Photograph in the age of AI, my lord, a lot can be done, my lord. No. My lord, basic human rights need to be protected, my lord. Basic human rights need to be
Cannot
protected.
violated.
And my lord, I have also seen it, my lord, in the media. There is a message given out to the public at large by the Honorable Chief Minister also that do not take law in your own hands. Please do not do this. Because there were certain, my lord, attempted attacks, my lord, with eggs and all, on persons who were taken in custody. It was the public outrage, my lord. The reign of terror, were into, my lord. Now this gentleman, my lord, not a gentleman, definitely. Now this man, he was trying to escape. Let me complete
If you
first.
say something against my child,
Don't try to. Don't
doing anything. You can.
To quarrel.
Yes.
Outside.
I am submitting before your lordship, my lord. I am discounting whatever is coming from that side. This person was trying to escape India, my lord. He has, my lord, connections. This is all privacy, my lord. These are all coming by way of our report, my lord. But these are, my lord, oral instructions.
No, so that I make my lord, I have overall, I mean, representation before the trial courts, my lord. My bails are being rejected. I cannot represent my lord anyone. I mean, nobody is representing me, my lord. No vocalatnama.
Affidavit service filed on behalf of, affidavit service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record. Next paragraph, by presenting this writ petition, petitioner has prayed for supply of information whether any subsequent criminal prosecutions have been initiated against her husband or not. Stop. It is also submitted that publicly petitioner was paraded at the instance of the
My lord, husband of the petitioner.
husband of the petitioner was paraded at the instance of the police authorities, which infringes human rights of the petitioner, or which is violative of human rights. Next paragraph, Mr. Bhattacharjee, Mr. Bilodal Bhattacharjee.
One more prayer, my lord. I'm sorry. But the first prayer is that. I'm sorry.
Learned Additional Advocate General opposes this writ petition by making submission. Stop. He has prayed for accommodation to
Come back with
file a
instructions.
report.
for it. Come back with instructions for it.
To file a report.
Come back with instructions. Let me come back with, if it is in the form of a report, I'll do
To
that.
file
my
a
lord.
report disclosing if any subsequent criminal prosecutions have been initiated
Yes, that is-
against the husband of the petitioner
That
by registering FIR or not.
That is-
Stop. It is assured on behalf of the state respondents that no further
My lord, records, my lord, that the police is there to ensure that the
steps
basic human rights
shall
are
be
protected,
taken,
not infringed.
which would infringe, which would lead to violation of human rights
Police,
While-
I am not admitting, my lord, that we have,
while treating the petitioner.
but I am not admitting, my lord, that anything has been done, my lord, parroting, etc. I cannot admit or make any submission unless and until, my lord, I get instruction. If, my lord, it was.
No, court is not saying that anything is done.
Very good.
Court is just recording your assurance
Yes.
that no steps shall be taken by the police authorities
No,
which will-
my lord said no
which will
further.
lead to human right violation.
No, my lord said no further. So that further can lead to.
Mr. Bhavana? No steps shall be taken.
Yes.
But only, my lord.
High Court.
Because, my lord, I have written, my lord, to the, my lord, no, my lord, it's a formal party. My lord.
Let such report be filed by 7
Because
days from,
legal aid is involved, my lord.
7 days from date.
Most of it.
List the matter under the same heading for further consideration on
My lord, makes it Monday week then, my lord. Monday week,
Monday week.
Monday week.
Yes, Mr. Bhattacharya, you don't have any
I'll
objection?
next week, my lord. Any day that's convenient to your lordship, my lord, please. Any day, my lord, next week. Whenever it's convenient to your
On-
lordship and convenient to my senior friends.
বাবা আমার জন্য এত কবে থেকে
প্রথম থেকে,
ওরে বাবা
প্রথম থেকে।
বাবা যা গলা তোর কান ফাটিয়ে দিচ্ছিস
আরে আমার গলাটা আপনার
মুখের মধ্যে বন্দুকের আওয়াজ
1st July 2020.
First July.
most of, my lord, only, my
Yes,
lord.
yes, what you are submitting. Why registration has been
Because
made?
legal, my lord, for one legal representation, my lord, we have to write to the Honorable the Chief Justice also, my lord, which is why, my lord, it's a formal party. My lord, only if your lordship sees, my lord,
Actually, too far.
page 41, my lord, the first prayer, disclosure of the cases.
Survey copy upon.
Absolutely, my lord. My lord, the disclosure of cases wherein my husband is arrested. Kindly seize this one, my lord.
Ms. Chakraborty, learned advocate, representing respondent number 8 submits that no copy has been served upon him.
But
He is saying that no formal prayer made, my lord.
why we are treated as a party? And no lordship prayers are also
Yes,
against us, but we are made a party.
let respondent number 8 be expunged from the array of the.
If your lordship so declare, absolutely.
Stop.
It's a formal party, my lord. If your lordship
কেটে
is
দাও।
a-
Miss Chakraborty, learned advocate representing respondent number 8, representing Registrar General High Court Calcutta submits. There is no need to array Registrar General High Court Calcutta as respondent in this. Next, stop. Mr. Bhattacharya, learned advocate, learned senior advocate representing the petitioner submits that if court directs, respondent number 8 shall be expunged from the array of the writ petition. Next paragraph, leave is granted to the learned advocate representing the petitioner to amend the cost title in course of this day, thereby expunging respondent number 8 from array of respondents.
Only, my lord, one prayer. My fundamental prayer is, my lord, disclosure of, my lord, arrested cases, where the cases wherein my husband has been arrested.
why is he
So
appearing
that may be also part of this.
My
That's the
lord is
fundamental
there.
prayer. My lord, my husband
lord
was
is there.
arrested in one case, but I don't have any access. He does not have any, my lord,
Disclosure of
cases in connection whereof my husband has.
connection with which petitioner, husband of the petitioner was arrested.
I'm obliged, my lord, because we don't, my lord, there's no legal representation, my lord.
File a report,
Right, my lord.
Disclosing the
how
cases.
can my yes
This cannot be.
No, no, I don't know. I don't have any access.
How many
my lord.
cases
I cannot understand. At least the materials will not be disclosed to the
What he is saying,
wife of the arrested
we
person.
are agreeable so far as the cases registered against him. We are agreeable to that. He is saying how many cases have been arrested.
Right, I need to know, my lord.
He is saying.
Already I'm arrested as a report ever of, my lord.
On
we can
next
place
day,
the report
yes,
stating how many
Mr.
cases are
Bhattacharya,
there
let them file a report. Let me see.
Very good.
Or direction is
Mobilized.
required.
thing, my lord. Since my lord seems to be a very intelligent petitioner, my lord, only one thing, my lord, if during reconstruction he, my lord, moves around, my lord, with a folded hand, my lord, that the police cannot help, my lord. And then
I'm in
he's asking-
custody.
he's
I'm in your
no,
custody.
no, during reconstruction, if he looks at the public and folds his hand, my lord, if we prevent, then he will say that is also
So
my
there is an
human right.
exhibition admitted by the.
Don't take any steps, Mr.
He
Bhattacharya.
will not take any
Which
steps.
will upon
Yes,
um,
my lord, we are there to take care of
human rights.
yes,
that. We are there to take care, my lord. My lord can rest assured, my lord, we are there to take care of that, my lord. We are before a constitutional court. We are officers of.
But this was on the newspaper.
On the newspaper, my lord, what the entire newspapers, my lord, knows, my lord, how report. I
That's
will
why I have not said anything, but
Yes.
don't take any steps.
The police will ensure, my lord, that his human rights are not.
That is not permissible.
That is definitely not permissible, my lord. And this state, my lord, the present regime is ensuring, my lord, will indicate.
Let us see how it is ensured.
Most of.
Great, your lordship.